Hello everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's one of very many side projects I've been doing as I'm trying to get it painted. So tell me what you think in the comments, and please like, comment, and subscribe for more. I had dash harness, the ribbon cable running to the back, tail light harness. I had every harness for this car except a front clip harness. This is an M&H made in USA front harness for a 67 Chevelle with gauges. Let's see if this dead shorts or anything. First time since 1977. Nothing. Which might be a good thing, might be a bad thing. Alright, so I don't have the switch up in the dash. I have it down here so I can get to it. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. Alright, so this is an attempt at a first start with the car's wiring for the first time since 1977. Original fuses, everything. Check the spark. Okay, so I showed you us trying to crank it, and what had happened was a bad connection inside the ignition switch. So I took it apart and cleaned it, and this here, I know it's got fire going to the coil. So this will be the first start since 1977 with its original wiring, minus the front clip part. The oil pressure gauge hooked up yet. That's next. 40 pounds. It's working. I ain't got it charging yet because I was kind of trying to do one thing at a time, but should be the only thing I have to do to make it charge, well, there's two options. I could take that alternator to a guy and have it converted to a one wire and just let it be hooked up like that, even though it really ain't doing nothing, and it would charge. Or jump some wires like this one to this one, this one to this one. So the plug might be backwards, but you get the point. I hooked up the oil pressure gauge and I put the ignition switch back where it's supposed to be, which was fun, because if you've ever taken one of those apart before and you didn't have the key, you can't really get the nut off the switch without the key, without about destroying the nut. You're supposed to take the tumbler out of the switch first, but I didn't have the key at that time, so I had to make that fit back, but it's working. So we're going to crank it and hope that I didn't knock a wire or something loose doing that. Figured I'd use that old Slits bottle opener as a key ring. So it's not charging yet, so I'm going to hook up some wires and see if I can make it charge. Alright, I made it charge. I jumped those wires. I was told that it might not die like that, so there's a possibility that it can backfeed. I think it'll be okay. Well, I hope you liked the video. I wanted to focus one video on getting it back running with the original wiring. You know, I've already driven this car. It's not like it was is it gonna run? I knew it would run. I was just trying to see if it would run off the original wiring. The oil pressure gauge works. It's charging now. I will go back and make some jumpers out of heavier gauge wire and good ends before I leave that alone. I'll see you next time.